everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jacob Slanix with Spitzer Chevy out in Amherst, Ohio, and today I want to bring you guys a tutorial on the Infotainment 3 offered by Chevrolet. Chevrolet introduced the Infotainment 3 about 2 years ago on the 2019 model year vehicles, and I want to break down how to use specific things as far as the audio, pairing a phone, going over the navigation. Just want to show you guys what this system offers. Did a video on this about 2 years ago now, and it blew up and there was a lot of questions asked in it, so hopefully I can cover those now in this part of the video. So be sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Now let's dig into the new Infotainment 3. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig into the new Infotainment for you guys, starting with the display screen here. So this is super easy to look at, super easy to read. You have each individual thing kind of labeled. So you have audio, phone, navigation's really easy to move. You can actually hold down certain things to move the applications around. So that's really nice. You can organize it however you'd like. So this is like the normal dash screen. You have your shortcuts here at the bottom, your home button here on the side, temperature here, your time here, and then it does have the 4G hotspot there. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the home. And this will actually take us to a little nice dash here that you have like your AM, FM, or Sirius, whatever you're listening to there, your phone paired here, and then this will show like a map once everything's agreed to. So we're just gonna go ahead and agree to everything. And you can kind of move forward. So now your map will show up. We're just gonna go to that. And this is kind of what the map looks like. We'll come back to it, but now that that's set up, you can see the map over here. It kind of breaks down your three most important things: your phone, your radio, and your maps. So now we can swipe. That'll take us back to this screen here, and swipe again. And there's a couple more applications. You can download some more. You have Onstar services. You can control the climate from up here. So that's really nice. You can do the temperature, the AC, where you want it positioned, your fan speed, all broken down there. My Chevrolet, that pairs with the app. You got Sirius XM, and then your marketplace, which offers a lot of different like applications and things like that. So we're gonna go back and start off with the audio app. So over here on the side, you have your AM, FM, and Sirius radio. Across the top are your favorites. You can increase your favorites. You get 5 here, 5 here, and you can also do a little more. You'll just have to go into the settings to do so. AM, FM, Sirius as mentioned. You can also go to more, and that'll break down everything else, including your Bluetooth, which will actually have your phone name when paired. So we're gonna go ahead and exit out of there. Sirius XM located here. The sound over here on the side here is how you change the bass, the mid-range, the treble. You can also go through browse here to look through different genres, pop, rock, hip hop, broken down. It's really easy to do and use. Settings located here. And then just so you guys know, here's an easy way of going through channels. So you can actually go to this tune, dial in 965. It's a local channel for us, and it comes right up. And just to turn up the volume, you would do it right here. Or you can do it from the steering wheel. So this car here, I forgot to mention, is a 2020 Blazer. So this is the 2020 model year. You're gonna see this same infotainment on the 2021s. We've been getting some in. It's exactly the same, which is really cool. They're sticking with the same style because it's worked really well. Now, next step, your phone. Let's pair a phone. So no phone's connected, connect phone. Then you're gonna hit add phone. And then it'll come up with this screen here saying My Chevrolet across the front. What you're going to be doing in the meantime is being on your Apple or Android phone. You're going to go to settings or Bluetooth, and you're going to look for that My Chevrolet in unpaired devices. Click that. It'll usually come up with like a 6-digit pin that you have to make sure they match. You click pair and everything's paired. It's good to go. You're connected. You'll see your phone here. Make sure you allow your contacts if you want everything to come up when you get like phone calls and things like that. But phone's really cool because you can have favorites, the keypad, recent calls, your contacts can be listed, and you can pair multiple phones, which is really nice to do. So now let's dig into navigation a little more. We're gonna go ahead and click that. Nice, easy to see for the navigation. You have your different effects here, traffic. This is basically your options or settings. You can zoom in and out of the map here. Now actually looking for an address, you have voice commands there in the corner. You have your recent addresses. You have your favorites. You can also look at fuel, parking, food, coffee, ATMs, transit, dealerships, hotels, leisure, entertainment. So, I mean, it breaks down so much stuff. Not every car is going to be compatible with the GPS, but this one, being a Blazer RS, is navigation capable, which is really nice. Definitely something to look into. But if you go back here, you have your Apple or Android CarPlay, which I've done a video on. I'll put it in the link below if you want some info on the Apple CarPlay. But Apple and Android CarPlay, you can basically take your screen and project it up onto here. Contacts, music, everything's really easy to see and use. My favorite part is you can pull up like Google Maps or Waze and put it right up on the screen. And it's simple, it's easy to use, and you do it right from your phone. So that's something to look into as well. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go into the Wi-Fi hotspot. So you can see this here. You have different, you can change the name here. You can change the password. You can see what devices are connected. You can share it with other people. So you do have the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Onstar and AT&T, whichever plan you prefer to do. They have unlimited. You'll just have to look into that yourself with Onstar. Now you can have different users as well. You can make different profiles. This will break down like music and things like that, pairing of phones. So this is really cool if you have multiple drivers in the car. Your settings, this breaks down phones, Wi-Fi networks, apps, your vehicle. So you can go through here and change different things on the car itself. Apple, Android CarPlay, we already went over a little bit. You will need a cable to launch the Apple CarPlay, but for 2021 model years, potentially, some do come equipped that it will be wireless. So all you have to do is connect it by Bluetooth, and you can use the Apple CarPlay features or Android Auto. Now we're gonna swipe back over. OnStar, as I mentioned, you got climate here. It breaks down everything super easy. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to read. I've had no issues at all. I go over this with every customer just to make sure they understand it. Sirius, that's just a shortcut to the Sirius radio, but it's all really simple. There are some other things that you can do on different models, like the trucks. They have a trailering profile package where it'll break down trailers. It's a checklist. It'll do your trailer test lights, which is really cool because you can just be by yourself and not have to worry about anyone standing behind you to see if your turn signals, brake lights, or any of that work. So Chevy's making it easy. There's also multiple camera views that you can see, which I'll actually show you the one for this particular car. So we're gonna go ahead and pop in reverse. You're gonna see a bunch of trees behind me, but just to give you a view, you have the guidance lines there. It's really clear, really easy to see out of. On the trucks, you'll see a hitch view, and there's like 9 other camera angles that you can see with some of these trucks with the advanced camera packages and everything. So some really nice features. The technology is getting more and more crazy. I love the look of this Blazer infotainment screen. It's an 8-inch touchscreen. So once again, this is your 2020 Blazer. I went over the Infotainment 3, the software, any of the apps. I hope I was able to answer any of your guys' questions. If I have not, leave a comment below and hopefully I can answer them for you. If you like this video, please like it, comment below what you guys want to see in the future, and please subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 5,000 views, so thank you very much guys for the support. And until next time guys, thank you.